the Qt Creator installation. So first of all, we are going to download the Qt Creator. So I am searching here the Qt Creator download. So you will be redirected to the official website of the Qt Creator. Here you have to click on this link. Here you will get the download try, and for the Windows or for Linux or for Mac system, you can download the Qt Creator here. So for the Windows, I am downloading here. So after clicking on the download for the Windows Qt Creator, you will get a free evaluation form. You have to enter your details in this form. So you can enter your first name, last name, company name, and your role. So your role you have to select as an educator or the student. So for the business email ID, you can mention your email ID, personal, or if you are having some college email ID which is provided to you, you can mention your email ID. You have to mention your phone number, select the country, and for what kind of product you are going to use, you are going to work on which kind of product. To click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, the downloading will be started. Okay, so after downloading, so this is a process. So we have already started and we have started downloading. So you will get this all this document we are going to share with you, so you can download it in a proper way. So once the downloading has started, and you will get the executable file for the download for the installation of the Qt Creator. So you have to start the installation part. Okay, so for the installation part, after starting it, you will get a online login page for the installation. So you have to mention your email ID and password. If you haven't signed up here yet, so you have to do the sign up. So in that way, you have to mention your email ID and you have to mention your password. After successfully login in the Qt Creator, the next step is we are going to install the folder. So it is commercially doing the setup for the Qt Creator. So now it is fetching up the updated information for the installation part of the Qt Creator. So you have to wait for a while for collecting the complete information. It will take a few minutes. After this, we have to contribute to the Qt development. We will start the installation part. While we are installing the Qt Creator, we have to choose the custom installation because we required the few compilers for the compilation of the program for running the particular project. So while we have used the custom installation, it is going to ask which component you would like to install while installing the Qt Creator. So here we are getting so many Qt versions, but we are going to use Qt 6.5.2, and along with that you have to use MingGW 11.2.0 64-bit. Okay, so this particular MingGW is necessary for the compilation of your program. If you are not going to install this particular compiler, it is going to show some errors. You cannot able to select the kit while creating any kind of project. Okay, so this is compulsory and this is an important part while we are installing the Qt Creator. So keep in mind and install in a proper way. After the successfully we have to accept the license agreement and we have to complete the take few minutes for the installation. In Linux, it will install as soon as possible, but for the Windows, it will take few minutes, at last for the 30 minutes or 25 minutes, depends on your internet speed. Okay, after all this installation part, we have to complete the installation and we have to finish the Qt Creator installation part by clicking on the finish button. After this, we will get the Qt Creator welcome screen. Okay, so I have already installed here. So I would like to show the Qt Creator environment. Okay, after installation, we will get the Qt Creator. Okay, so we are going to share this with you. Just a second, I'm just opening. It will take a moment. Okay, I have already installed the Qt Creator in my system, so I am just opening this particular Qt Creator for showing you the environment, how it is going to be look after the installation. Okay, it is going to be asked whether we have to run as an administrator or not. So you have to give the permission. So it is going to be start soon. Okay. It will take a moment for the starting of the Qt creator. It depends on your speed of the system. If you are facing any doubt for the installation of the Qt creator, you can access the document, and then if you are not able to access that particular Qt creator, you can ask in the chat box. And I am trying to open it, whether it is opening or not. It will run multiple times. It has already been running. Okay. Qt Creator is used for the programming of the computer graphics. In that, we are going to use the source folder as well as the header folder, as well as we are having the forms, UI forms. So this is the Qt Creator environment you can able to see. So we will get so many options here while we are doing the coding for the using Qt Creator. So in this we can create project, open project, and we can start working on it. Okay, so how we are going to create the project? We are going to just click on the create project, application of Qt, and we are going to create the widget application. We are having so many options, that is the console, quick, and others. So we are working on the widget application, so we have to choose it. Okay, so you can entitle your project here. So I am giving here the first project. Okay, you can use any kind of the name, but we don't have to give the space in between of the name of the project. It is in the continuous form. So I am here. So here you will get the build system, that means CMake, QMake, and QBS. CMake is a console application, QMake is a Qt application which we are going to use. So we have to use QMake. So this is the class name, main window. You can rename it. So if you want to do it like this, so I am here first project. Okay, I'm writing here first project. Next. Here you will get the customizations kit selection. Here we are getting the desktop Qt 6.5.2 Ming GW 64-bit, because while we have installed the Qt creator, we have used Ming GW 64-bit. So that's why we required this particular kit selection, which is necessary. Okay, so just click on it and you will get the project. Okay, so I have created a project with the name of first project, and we have the number of files: first project.cpp, header file, profile, UI file, and main.cpp. Main.cpp will be remain same because it is a main function executable file which is going to run this particular program. So I am clicking on the finish button. The project will be created. It will take a moment for the creation of the project. Wait for that. So the project has been created and it is working on it. Now the project has been created. So on the right hand side bottom corner, you can able to observe the project has been creating. We are taking a time for the creation. So while we have created the project, by default, we have to verify whether the Qt creator is working in a proper way or not, whether it is showing some error or not. So what we have to do, we have to select this project, right click on it, and we have to click on the build button. So while clicking on the build, we will get the at the bottom right hand corner whether the project is building successfully or not. So it is taking a time for the building the project. Okay, this is the first program, that's why it is taking a little bit more time. It is successfully built now. Now we can run the project. Right click and run. Okay. So while we are getting the pop-up window like this, that means the project is successfully built and it is running in a fine condition. So you can work further on this project. You can do the coding and you can create the UI forms. For the next project, just see the next video. Thank you.